of 500. K. Prabodhya, 493 out of 500. And from CEC, Nipun Reddy, 490 out of 500 marks. And Ambika, 486 out of 500 marks. And from the intermediate second year, with again an overall percentage of, pass percentage of 98 to 99%. With P. Shruti, 991 out of 1000 marks. Amjad Hussain, 983 out of 1000 marks. N. Joshua, 980 out of 1000 marks. And from HEC 1, Meenakshi Sri, 493 out of 500 marks. Maheshwari, 491 out of 500 marks. So these results, they reflect the hard work of our students and the tireless efforts of our faculty team and also the staff members. Apart from this, from the competitive achievements, our students have also excelled in the national level examinations. In the CLAT examination, our first batch achieved outstanding results. And I'll read the CLAT rankers also. 2025, 12th rank Raghunandhar. 12th rank Raghunandhar. 14th rank Himavarshini. 15th rank Afifa. 25th rank Hasini. 40, is that right? Yeah. So 41 rank Pankaj. 47th rank Siddhartha. 56th rank P. Venkatesh. 77th rank K. Aishwarya. Give them a big round of applause. So again in the degree also, Ignite IAS has achieved 99% of pass result, reflecting academic excellence at the higher levels as well. And in the civil services achievements, this year marks a very big milestone for Ignite IAS. Our first batch of students who have written recently held Telangana TSPSC Group 1 examination. 10 students have qualified for the mains. Out of them, 2 students got the rank. And additionally, some of the students, they have also cleared preliminary examinations and they are writing mains also. They have written the mains this year. They are waiting for the interview result. And additionally, many of our alumni have secured various jobs in central government and state level competitive examinations, showcasing the growing reputation of Ignite IAS. So, out of these, the one thing that we shouldn't forget at all, so Ignite IAS extend heartfelt thanks to our dedicated faculty members and also the staff members who work relentlessly to ensure every student of Ignite IAS achieve excellence and also discipline. So looking ahead, as we move into the next academic year, our mission is very clear: to make Ignite IAS a symbol of quality education, strong values, and last but not least, the national service. So with the blessing of our chief guest, Sri Jawahar Reddy Garu, retired IAS, former Chief Secretary of Andhra Pradesh, with the continued support of the best management and parents, faculty, students, everybody, we aim to make Ignite IAS a name synonymous with civil services success across Telangana and Andhra Pradesh and also the country. So in conclusion, Ignite IAS continue to stand as a temple of learning where knowledge meets discipline and dreams turn into achievements. So thank you all.
Now it's time to hand over the stage to our juniors Aksa and Meenakshi from I2. Aksa and Maheshwari.
After an exciting day filled with energy, teamwork and passion, the moment we have all been waiting for has finally arrived. Now it's time to celebrate the sportsmanship and announce the winners who gave their best on the field, who played not just to win but to inspire everyone. Let's begin with a huge round of applause for all our participants, because every athlete here today is already a winner for showing courage, discipline and determination. And now moving on to the results. The moment of glory. The champions of throwball are D2 students.
And the winners are D2 Kirti,
I invite the respect to you the
Hey, start. I want to go. What's going on?
I request D2 students to come forward.
Kirti, Joyce, Anjana, Nikita, Revati, Sanjana, Ritika, Akshaya and Yamini.
The runners are D3 students. Spandana,
అయిపోయిందా ఓకేనా వేరే డన్
సార్ ఉండి అన్నాడు ఎవరొక లైన్
the man of the match goes to Spandana, D3.
And the best player goes to Kirti D2. And the best player goes to Kirti D2.
Kabaddi, alright to girls.
Sai Priya, Meenakshi, Akshaya, Aksa, Akshara, Pujita, Sharat, Fatima.
Best defender goes to Sai Sri D1.
And the best rider goes to Akshara I2.
The champions of volleyball are I2 boys. Abhishek, Bharatwaj, Gurucharan, Subhani, Satvik, K. Satvik, P. Danush, Bharat Babu.
ఇగో నేను చెప్తా ఓకేనా
And the runners are I1 boys.
Abhishek, Bharatwaj, Gurucharan, Subhani, Upena Satvik, K. Satvik, P. Danush, Bharat Babu.
Rishikesh, Varun Yadav, Venkat, Charitat, Vignesh, Sundar, Akash, Ishwar.
ఇంకా ముందుకు వస్తా ఏమన్నా ముందుకు వస్తా
Varun Yadav, I1.
And the best spiker goes to D. Abhishek, I2. Gentlemen, let's get ready for the big reveal. The winners of cricket are D3 boys. Give a big round of applause. D3 boys.
Darshan, Lokesh, Anurag, Bavadev, Raju, Arjun, Kishore, Vishal, Surya, Naresh, Dharma, Shashank.
Hello bro.
Karthik, P. Danush, Team Mandip, U. Dinesh, R. Kaushik, Joel, Sri Vignesh, Abhishek, Rahul Pavan Sai, Jashwant Ram, Rupesh, Anityu. Karthik, P. Danush, Team Mandip, U. Dinesh, R. Kaushik, U. Joel, Sri Vignesh, Abhishek, Rahul Pavan Sai, Jashwant Ram, Anityu, Rupesh. Best bowler goes to C. Prasanna Sai, Teja D3. Prasanna Sai, Teja D3.
Best all-rounder goes to Jashwant Ram I2.
The champions of Kabaddi are D2 boys.
Are D2 boys Vinay, Lemyor, Vishnu, Sriram, Niket, Sushant, Farhan. Vinay, Lemyor, Vishnu, Sriram, Niket, Sushant, Farhan, Ramakrishna, Tagore. Swarni. And the best rider goes to Lemuel T2.
Best defender goes to Kaushik Raitu. Best defender goes to Kaushik Raitu. See, one more special segment here. వాళ్ళు ఆడుతుంటే అదురుతుంది స్టేజ్, గేమ్స్ ఆడుతున్నప్పుడు షేక్ అవుతుంది గ్రౌండ్. సో ఫైనల్లీ ద ఓవరాల్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ గోస్ టు వన్ మోర్ టైం ప్లీజ్. yes come on girls, come on. Yeah, I'm calling I2 girls. The overall championship goes to I2 players. Come on to the stage. Super, I'm really proud of you, my dears. Many were participators, but you are the winners. Every year you are getting this overall championship. It belongs to ourselves only. ఎంత మంది ఆటగాళ్ళు ఉన్నా ఒక గాల్ నాట్ సఫిషియెంట్ టు అస్. ప్లీజ్ గివ్ దెమ్ ఏ బిగ్ రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లాస్. yes boys, you also. next year we try to give you, not for this year.
Bro, wait.
Thank you. They are always in first, even in studies and sports, everywhere and anywhere. Now, from boys, the overall championship goes to... yes, come on, I2 students, inter second year boys. Yeah, dance చేస్తురండి రా, మా వాడు వచ్చినప్పుడు వైబ్రేషన్ వచ్చింది. Come on, మా ఇగ్నైట్ ఆడి ముత్యాలు. Yeah, the organizer, the team supporter is Jagan sir. RK sir also, they are requesting, please come on to the dais. And Vinay sir లేకపోతే ముచ్చటగా ఉండదు. మన Minakar sir, without you it is an empty, it is your festival. Please come on to the dais. There is no time at all, please. Congratulations, my dear boys.
Shivaji.
Spending with us, and especially we gratefully thank to our chief guest sir Jawahar Reddy sir and also chairman sir and MD sir. Many are here. All your support and encouragement, we have done all these activities. Many more are there in next part. Second part is there. In that second part we are going to give you other prizes. Okay, so now it's time to...
It gives us immense pleasure and pride to stand before you today to felicitate a remarkable individual, Mr. K.S. Jawahar Reddy sir, To do so, I invite the dignitaries, Chairman CM Prakash Rao Sir, Managing Director NS Reddy Sir, Pavan Sir, Mallaya Sir, Naresh Sir, and Dean Bharat Sir, Girls Principal Madhavi Ma'am, Boys Principal Bhadraya Sir.
Sir, a small request, behalf of my whole team, my dedicated and sincere faculty, they are there. A photo, please. With you, a photo. It's really a respect and honor to ourselves, sir. So I am requesting all my dear staff members, my dedicated and credible staff, they are here. With their support, with their work, it is possible to ourselves. Please come on to the dais.
ఆగండి బ్రో ఆపండి 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 ఆపు
There is no time. Malik sir and other departments, sir, a photo with the honorable persons. Malik sir also, please come forward. Hello, don't be late. There is no time at all. Come. ఇంత చక్కగా ఉన్నాము. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీవన్. గణేష్ సార్, మీ ఫుడ్ లేదే మాకు కాదు మరి. సో మీరు ఇక్కడ కూడా ఫుడ్ టేస్ట్ చూస్తున్నారు, మాకన్నా బాగా చేస్తారా వీళ్ళు అని. కమాన్, మనల్ని బీట్ చేసే వాళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు. మాలిక్ సార్ ఏదో స్టేజ్ చూసుకుంటున్నాడు, ఎక్కడ పొజిషన్ అయితే బాగుండిద్దా, నన్ను ఎవరు డామినేట్ చేయకుండా ఉంటారని.
వన్ మినిట్ బ్రో మధ్య ఎట్లా తీసుకుంటున్నాయి.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
So it's my privilege and honor to deliver the vote of thanks on this special occasion of our Ignite Annual Fest, Udbhav. Sir, your gracious presence today has truly elevated the spirit of the students, especially on this celebration. Your inspiring words, drawn from the decades of administrative experience, have given our students a very new perspective on leadership, ethics, failures, how to turn failures into success, and public service as well. Your journey stands as a living example of how knowledge, integrity, and perseverance can shape not just a career, but a nation progress, and also a role model for people like us. So we are very much thankful on behalf of the management, faculty, students. We extend our deep gratitude to our chief guest, Sri Jawahar Reddy Garu, retired IAS, and the former Chief Secretary of Andhra Pradesh, for taking time out of his busy schedule to bless and inspire our young students. And a heartfelt thanks to our management and the faculty team, and also for the students for their tireless efforts, especially in this occasion, to make the Udbhav very much igniteful. So thank you all.
సో గర్ల్స్ ఐ నో వెరీ వెల్ మరి టైం అవుతూ ఉంది కాబట్టి మీకు సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద టైమ్ ఫర్ లంచ్ ఓన్లీ గర్ల్స్ అండ్ స్టాఫ్ మెంబర్స్ అండ్ ఆర్ ఆనరబుల్ డిగ్నటరీస్ ఆల్సో. మరి మేడం మేమేం చేయాలి లోపల అంటే చేద్దాం, మన చాలా ఉన్నాయి కదరా మనలో.
వెయిట్ 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 వెయిట్
దాసరి సిద్ధార్థ,
వెయిట్ 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 ఓకే
థ్యాంక్ యూ. స్మైల్ ఎవ్రీవన్. తీసుకున్నావా?
అయిపోయింది.
డన్. అరే పీయూష్ ఫైనల్ గారా. ఓకే రెడీ ఎవ్రీవన్. కొడతా తినాలి. బ్రో ముంగట బ్రో కొంచెం. ఫైనల్ సైడ్ కొనబే. రెడీ బ్రో మొత్తం రా బ్రో. బ్రో కూర్చోండి బ్రో. వచ్చేసే బ్రో. రెడీ ఎవ్రీవన్ దిస్ కెమెరా. రెడీ రెడీ స్మైల్ ఎవ్రీవన్.
నెక్స్ట్ ఐవాన్ క్లాట్, నెక్స్ట్ ఐవాన్ క్లాట్ 1 మిస్ఫైర్ అయింది.
రెడీ ఎవ్రీవన్ దిస్ కెమెరా. రెడీ స్మైల్. ఓకేనా?
వెయిట్ వెయిట్ వెయిట్.
నెక్స్ట్ I2 బాయ్స్ ఎంఈసి ఎంపీసీ, ఎంఈసి ఎంపీసీ.
రెడీ ఎవ్రీవన్.
బ్రో ఆగు బ్రో.
హోల్డ్ ఆన్ హోల్డ్ ఆన్.
వెయిట్ 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 వెయిట్. వెయిట్ 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 వెయిట్. ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకేనా? ఓకేనా?
Look at camera.
రెడీ ఎవ్రీవన్. రెడీ రెడీ ఎవ్రీవన్. రెడీ ఎవ్రీవన్.
ఏమ్రా దాసరి సిద్ధార్థ,
yes రెడీ ఎవ్రీవన్.
మరదలు రాలేదని ఫీల్ అవుతున్నావా?
వెయిట్ 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 బ్రో.
ఫీల్ అవుతున్నావా బాగా? హరిబాబు సార్, వేర్ ఆర్ యూ?
యా రెడీ. రెడీ ఎవ్రీవన్. రెడీ స్మైల్.
కుషిత్ రెడ్డి ఏమో కోల్పోయినట్టున్నాడు, రకరకాలుగా చూస్తున్నాడు.
ఓకే
ఓకే
రెడీ ఎవ్రీవన్.
తన్మయ్ ఈశ్వర్, ఒక ఫోటో తీరమ్మా. ఐవన్, తన్మయ్ ఈశ్వర్ ఫోటో తీ.